Hi guys, I'm Alexa. I've been with LivBay for 5 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about all things lash cleaning and aftercare. We want to make sure our clients are always cleaning their lashes every single day and why it's so important to do that. Lashes are a premium investment, so it's super important to keep them clean so you get your money's worth out of them. So the way to keep your lashes clean is to use these two products here. This is our lash bath and this is a little brush. So the lash bath will get all makeup, dirt, and debris off of the lashes, and this brush will help get right in between those lashes so you can really get that deep clean with it. So with this brush, I do recommend to use a brush like this because the bristles are so soft and it has the pointed tip, so it really gets down into those lashes and into those crevices so you can make sure that your lash line is nice and clean and your lashes are nice and clean. When cleaning your lashes, you want to avoid using the lash wand or the mascara wand because when you are washing your lashes and you use that brush to brush, sometimes it'll pull them out or it can cause premature fallout by loosening the bond of the glue. So you want to avoid using that so you don't get any gaps in your lashes and you can prolong the retention of your lashes. If you want a proper tutorial on how to wash your lashes from home, please click the link above and we can go over that for you. So not only do you want to wash your lashes every day to prolong your retention, you want to do it for cleanliness. You want to make sure your lash line stays nice and clean, that you're getting all makeup, dirt, and debris off. You want to avoid getting blepharitis, which is an eye infection that you can get from not washing your lash line. And I've even seen a ton of clients come in with blepharitis or ask questions of what the yellow crusty stuff is on their eyes, and that's exactly what it is. So when they come in and you try and wash it off and it doesn't budge, that's blepharitis. You usually don't want to lash over it, it's up to you, but usually I send them to an eye doctor just to be sure that there's nothing else going on. But these are really easily avoided by washing your lashes, so you never have to come into contact with that. So just daily use your lash bath, your brush, and just wash your lashes. It's super important to wash your lashes every day. Sometimes you may have to wash them more than one time a day. I recommend washing if you work out. That way if you're sweating, you get all of that off. If you wear a lot of makeup that day, to get all that makeup off. Also, I do recommend to wash if you cry, because when you cry, your tears have salt in them and that can cause your lash extensions to stick together and it can cause them to fall off. So if you cry, just wash them really quick. That way you get all of that off and so you can keep the good retention of your lashes. Lash cleaning is a good habit for your clients to pick up so they can protect their investment daily. That way their retention is prolonged, and also it's good for you as a lash artist because you know if you're telling your client good aftercare, they're going to come back and have a good retention. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you. Question for you: what aftercare tips do you give to your clients? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching.